guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this video inside of this art frame edit on CapCut PC. So select import and import your picture first. It is a little bit better if you use a frame that already has an artwork in a museum, so it looks more realistic, but this is just an example. So just going to select a video and add it to the timeline, and then I'm going to select the frame and move it on top of it. Actually, select the picture, go to mask and select the rectangle one and press reverse. Then you're just going to adjust it to the picture. I know it's going to be a little bit difficult to sort it out properly and match it really well. Just keep on adjusting it. You can feather it out just a little bit to blend it even more. And as for the video, you're just going to scale it down to the piece of frame. And if the video is very long, just adjust the frame, the image, to the video. And you can also add in some filters to the video to kind of match with the frame just a little bit more. Maybe the strength is too much, but I'm just going to adjust it. And on the video, I'm going to go to adjustments, and then I'm going to adjust it again. You do have to adjust it yourself. Okay, maybe not too saturated. Just the brightness and the contrast of it a little bit, because this is supposed to look like an artwork of some sort. Then if you want to add in textures, just go to effects and go to texture and add in this painting texture, but put it behind the frame, I guess. Actually, on this one I might delete the feather a little bit because it looks better like that, as you can see. And as for the painting texture, I'm just going to delete the filters off of it and adjust the texture so it doesn't look super fake. But just select everything, right click, create compound clip, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!